Okay, so as we started to develop our formal water features, we got really good at welding and fabricating aluminum and steel and all that stuff. So our team back at the shop built this thing from scratch, which I thought was pretty cool, even to the point of making it very easy to assemble and disassemble. You can put it together in a couple minutes. But also here, this is all tube, right? So we built these kind of feet, and this is all adjustable, right? You got a pin, you can pull it out because the ground might not be level. When you set this thing in place, the ground might be lower or higher. So this foot, it allows you to adjust up or down because this has got to be level, right? You don't want to, this is not level, and you pick up a 500-pound thing and it's not level, it's going to roll, and the whole thing will end up in the pool. And we don't want that. We don't want that. So again, level, adjustable foot, all custom fabricated, can be installed on any pool in a couple minutes. So guys are going to start rocking and rolling, and they're going to get on the trolley and start rolling in, baby. Rolling in with the trolley. I love this thing. So cool. There's our base stone. There's our base for our Genesis right there. Base is there. Boom. Then there's our cap right there. What makes this kind of unique is we used a piece of a certain kind of stone, but it's not blue stone, so it looks kind of natural. Right? You could buy blue stone, but it looks very uniform, right? So this is kind of broken up a little bit. And then where the source of the water's coming in here, you can't see it, it's covered. So the water just kind of comes out from under the stone. So again, when you do something small and you want it to look natural, there's a lot of details that go into play to make sure it all works. You know what I mean? So.